Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for biology practical. Start by organizing your lab notes, diagrams, and specimen lists into study packets and label everything clearly. Focus on common specimens and techniques first and make quick reference cards for structures. Practice identifying parts under time pressure and rehearse verbal descriptions aloud. Keep sessions short and frequent and review errors. Practice actively with timed drills that mimic the real practical environment, including quick identifications and descriptions. Draw specimens from memory to lock in spatial relationships and label key parts, then compare with notes to find gaps. Use a checklist to rotate topics and avoid over-focusing on one area. Rehearse short verbal answers aloud so you can explain features confidently during the exam under time limits and reduce last-minute panic. On exam day, scan each station quickly and choose familiar items first to bank easy marks and calm nerves. Allocate strict time per station and don't linger on a single tough specimen. Move on and return if time allows. Demonstrate careful handling and clean technique, and write clear, labeled answers so evaluators see your process. Stay calm, pace yourself, and trust the practice you did beforehand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.